Hello everybody, I'm Alex Donaldson, and this is a how-to video on how to make your own chili dog. Right? There's 3 steps you need to do. Alright. Well, normally I'd show you the first step, but I don't have to since I've already got it done. You see, I already made the chili. Alright, so I'm just going to go on ahead to step 2. Alright, I'm going to carry Alright, all the way over here. Here's the microwave, and there's the refrigerator. Okay, so now get a hot dog. A bit an unopened type of thing. I'll go open it. So, yeah, you use that. This is all I have to open the chili. I mean the hot dog. Alright, you get a hot dog, and then set it in the microwave for as long as you need to. Alright, but don't set it too high, because the hot dog will like split open. Alright, we're just gonna wait until the hot dog's done. Just waiting. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna cook it for a few more seconds since it's not fully cooked. Alright, it's done. Alright, alright, so I'm gonna carry the laptop back over here. Alright, now we're back. Alright, now we're back where the video was just getting started. Alright, now you put the hot dog in the bowl of chili, like, you know, roll it around in there until it like gets covered up with chili. Of course, that you should not use your hands, but I did it anyways. Alright. Now, here's step 3. This one's really easy. Okay, usually I get a hot dog bun out, but unfortunately I have no hot dog buns, so I'm just going to use some bread. And like, you usually just put the chili and use the bread to like take it out of there. But here's a bonus step if you want a chili dog with cheese in it. There, that's good. Now, I'm going to carry it back to where we cooked the hot dog. Alright, if you want a chili dog with cheese in it, alright, you get some cheese, and you put it on the bread, and then set it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Okay? Okay, it's kind of hot now. Now I'm gonna take the laptop back over here again. All right, and now, all right, and now you get the chili, and then you put the bread with cheese on it, and get the hot dog out of the chili. And, there. That's how you can make your own chili dog. Whoa, whoa. That's all the time we have now, folks. So, see you next time. Alright. Look at how that went. You know, when you need a scratch down there, what? Still rolling? Dang it!